Today we're going to play Quarto, Tic-Tac-Toe for smart people. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Playing Games. Please subscribe, like, and comment. 4 in a row wins, but clicking subscribe just once gets you quality content. Quarto is a simple strategic game where you pick your opponent's moves, so you better think ahead. And it's a perfect 2-player casual game with lots of opportunity to trick your opponents. Object: get 4 pieces in a row that all share one common attribute. Quarto has 2 twists. The first is that all 16 Quarto pieces are different. They each have 4 binary characteristics though that are shared with other pieces. Those 4 characteristics are height, short or tall, tone, light or dark, shape, rounded or squared, and tops, which are solid or hollow. If you can place the 4th piece of a common characteristic in a row, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, and call out Quarto, you win. The second twist is that your opponent selects the piece that you play on your turn. Setup: place the board between both players. Arrange the 16 pieces nearby for easy access and decide who goes first. Gameplay: the non-active player chooses any unplayed piece for the active player. Yes, you pick the piece they must play. The active player then places it anywhere they want on the board. Now they pick a piece for you. Repeat this until someone wins or the board fills up in a stalemate. Again, you want to have 4 in a row of either height, tone, shape, or top. That means you need to look at the unplayed pieces as much as the ones that are on the board, making sure not to hand your opponent a winning piece and holding back pieces you want them to give to you. End of game. If a player places the 4th piece of a winning row, they must call Quarto to claim victory. Quarto. If they fail to notice, their opponent can call it and steal the win. Note that you can only call Quarto on your turn. It's not a free-for-all like Uno. Special rules. Like chess, your move is over as soon as you take your hand off a placed piece. No takebacks. Variations. For advanced play, try adding in a 2x2 square as a possible Quarto victory in addition to 4 in a row. If you like that, you can mix in some other designs to help make more Quarto victories. I first played this game in a Tokyo game shop, which just tells you how universal and simple this game is. You can understand it in any language.
Also, I win.
It's one of those clever but easy to learn 2-player games like Pentago, Othello, and Blockus. I have the travel size, which works well, but if you want to be a show-off, get the full-size one for your coffee table. And it's guaranteed not to collect dust, as it's fast to learn and endlessly replayable. Do you have a great Quarto strategy or just want to say hi? Leave a comment below. Please subscribe, like, and share to help this channel grow. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.